Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to write a great bio in Bumble. Writing a great bio is about making a first impression, showcasing your personality and sparkling interest. Here are some tips to help you craft a stand-out Bumble bio. First is to keep it short and sweet. It should be concise but interesting. You don't need to tell your life story, just enough to catch someone's attention. Second is to show your personality. Highlight what makes you unique or what you love. Another tip is to use humor. Humor can break the ice and make your profile more memorable. The fourth tip will be honest. Authenticity is key. Be clear about what you are looking for or what you enjoy. Next tip is to mention interests or hobbies. Including hobbies and interests can be a great conversation starter. For example, you can write about cycling, photography, and board games like this. You can also ask a question. Asking a fun question or provoking question can encourage matches to start a conversation. Another main tip is to avoid cliché. Try to avoid overused phrases like "I love to travel" without adding some personality or detail. So by blending humor, honesty, and a bit of creativity, you will create a Bumble bio that draws in people who genuinely resonate with your vibe. So that is how you can write a great Bumble bio. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and comment down if you have any queries.